Assalamu alaikum dosto. Today we discuss about unit 3 components. A friends who wants to write essay on it, it will be very helpful for them. So first of all, we are discussing about the storage of the computer and it belongs to it. What is a form factor, both motherboard and computer case? A form factor is the configuration of the actual computer hardware objects. The size of the configuration is also taken into consideration typically. When discussed in the context of software computer, text tends to remark that the form factor is the amount of memory associated with the program where it needs to run effectively. White and Down 2007. Technicians assert that forms of factor assist in preventing incompatibilities between specific hardware that operates within a computer. In other words, a Dell form factor will not work in with an HP form factor. What is field replaceable unit FRU? According to Intel 1999, FRUs or fields replaceable units are used to offer information, show more content. Most computer technicians argue that Intels are some of the best on the market for both budget and performance. However, there are others that are just as good. The following is a list of some of the best CPUs currently available. Borgi 2014 writes that in addition to Intel, that Vishera is a quality brand and Kaveri is also P1. Consumers should look at various websites and consumer reviews to determine the best CPU to purchase and to also understand as much as possible the most compatible with their system. Weighing the pros, understand as much as possible is recommended in all instances, particularly because of the fact that CPUs can be quiet. This memory assists in allowing the computer to simultaneously read and write data at the same time. Simply put, RAM is the most common form of memory that is utilized by computer as well as other devices. There are specific types of RAM that including dynamic random access memory and static random access memory or DRAM and SRAM respectively. These two RAMs are very different in terms of how they allow data to be read and written. Dynamic random access memory is often considered the most frequent type found in computer. Static random access memory is also found in computer is usually referred to as faster of the two types due to fact that refreshing of this form of memory is not needed, whereas the dynamic random access memory it is. The term RAM is often used to describe what the computer uses to function. It is the main memory or primary memory whereby all process and software run. Since it is random access memory, it is also only available at the time of certain process in need and not stored anywhere on the computer specifically. What makes random access memory often confusing understanding particularly. So guys, thank you very much for watching my video.